What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this LiftMaster garage door opener remote. This garage door opener clicker is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using in order to change this battery is a flathead screwdriver. And you want one with a pretty wide blade on it, really the wider the better. So the first thing I'm going to do is grab my garage door opener, and I'm just going to slide this visor clip up a little bit. We don't have to take it off, but just slide it up a little bit. And then looking here, you can see there's this notch right here, and there's another one similar to it on the side of the opener right there. What I'm going to do is grab my screwdriver, and I'm starting at those notches. I'm going to put my screwdriver in and just twist like I'm opening a lock with a key. And just start to split it apart. You don't have to worry about trying to get it all the way in one time. Once you get it started, then we'll just work over, kind of working this crack. And just keep working your way around. Then I'll come over to this notch. Same thing. Once you get it far enough apart, what I like to do is hold it with the buttons facing down, and then go ahead and pull the two halves apart. And the reason I'm holding it with the buttons facing down, it just helps keeps these buttons in place right here. Once we get the top off, we can see our battery right here. That'll just pull out of the holder like that. We'll grab the new battery, and we want to make sure that we're installing that with the plus side up. And I'm going to kind of tuck that edge in first, like that, and then snap it down into place. And now we'll put the two halves back together. And you can see there's this little light right here. You can align that up with the hole right there. That's how you'll know which side goes on where. Oh, and I should also mention, if your buttons move around at all, this gray piece right here, just slide them back where they need to be. That's fine. And we'll line that hole up right there. You can see it's kind of lined up, and then I'll just snap it down. And as I did that, you could see it even lit up. Slide my visor clip back down to where it was before, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.